Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious chile verde sopita. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, we're going to begin by making our tomato broth. To our blender cup, we're going to add 1 tomatillo, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 jalapeño or serrano, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon or beef bouillon, and 4 cups of water. Now blend until smooth. Okay, once we have that, we can take it to the stove. Okay, to a pot over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once oil is nice and hot, add 7 ounces of shells. We're going to be frying for 5 minutes or until they're nice and golden. Okay, once shells are nice and golden, remove them from the pot. Okay, now to the pot, add 3 potatoes. Season them with a little salt. Now fry them for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1 pound of ground beef. Season the meat with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground cumin, garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt to taste. Now break down the meat and allow it to brown. Once the meat browns, add 1/4 of a small diced onion, along with 8 roasted, peeled, and chopped hatch peppers. Mix it together and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add the tomato broth. And here we're also going to add 1 or 2 cups of additional water. Depends on how brothy you want your soup. Now just mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to be adding our shells. Mix them in. Along with that, we're going to add a handful of cilantro. Now we're going to cover it, reduce the heat to low, and allow it to cook between 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, and after 10 minutes, our delicious sopita is done. Of course, make sure that the potatoes are fully cooked. And here I'm just going to be adding some cheese. Just going to allow that to melt, and then we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready, you guys. Let me tell you, this is right here, honestly, my favorite. It's so comforting, so easy, and so delicious. Just going to add a little lime juice. And of course, because I love cheese, more queso fresco. Just like that. Okay, get ready to enjoy. Cheers and enjoy. Like I said, it's so delicious. Everything all in one bite. You have it all in one bite. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious green chile sopita. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.